Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'm making this very easy pick-a-book card. And since Mother's Day is coming close, I'm going to show you all how to make a Mother's Day version of a pick-a-book card. And this card is very simple to make. Anyone can make this very easily. You don't require a lot of materials as well. Just some glue, paper and some basic stuff which I'm sure all of us already have. I'll mention in the description box whatever I'll be using as always, and let's get into the video. So first I'm taking a pattern paper of measurement 11.5 into 8 centimeters. If you don't have pattern paper, you can use any solid color paper, it's totally up to you. Now I'm flipping this paper and I'm scoring a line of 1 centimeter, 2.5 centimeters, 1 centimeter, 2.5 centimeters, 1 centimeter, 2.5 centimeters and 1 centimeter. Next, I am scoring a line of 2 centimeters on the top and 2 centimeters below, like this. Now, I am going to cut along the lines which I have marked orange. So, with the help of a paper cutter, I am going to carefully cut along these lines. So here is how my card looks like at this point. Now I am going to slightly bend these flaps like this. Next I am going to take another paper of measurement 11.5 centimeters into 8 centimeters. Now I am going to apply some glue onto my pattern paper. Note that I am applying the glue only on the borders and not onto this area. Now I am going to paste it onto this paper. Next I have cut out mom from a pink paper. You can just write this onto your card using a marker. And next I am going to paste my cutouts like this. And here the card is ready. Let me know down in the comments if you have any questions, and give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and see you all in the next video. Bye.